New student orientation is a vital, fast-paced part of the rhythm of campus life. At times, it can also be overwhelming for both incoming students and the faculty and staff working to welcome students to campus. Students arrive on campus with a wide range of prior life experiences. Regardless of background, interest, and educational goals, this is one of the biggest transitional periods they will experience. The NSO Starter Kit from Modo Campus helps you equip students with all of the information they need for a successful transition to college life. Here are just a few examples of how leading institutions have mobilized orientation. NSO is just the start of a successful college experience. Don't settle for a one-off NSO app that won't equip students for success as a sophomore, junior, senior, or graduate. Give your students a single access point to crucial information through a mobile experience that sets them up for lasting success across the full college journey. Deploy NSO for Modo Campus today.